Have you ever wondered why disasters are happening more and more frequently since the past few years and recently? Have you ever thought about how to escape or survive these disasters? Well, then you are here at the right place. Welcome back to another new video of End Time News. This is Humanity and End Time Events, a YouTube channel that collects daily footages of disasters happening around the world, fulfilling the End Time Bible's prophecies. Well, if it's your first time, please subscribe it and share it to as many people as you can. We are responsible to create awareness for our loved ones who lives a normal lifestyle as usual, like the people during the days of Noah, following the worldly trends and materialistic lifestyle. Be like Noah, who listened to God's voice, acted according to God's words, and finally built the ark that saved him, his family, and the animals. While the people who didn't listen and ignored God's work of saving mankind were all destroyed by the disaster. So shall it be when the Son of Man comes in the last days. Likewise, the Bible tells us that Jesus has yet many things to says when he return, that God will do judgment work on earth, that God will separate his sheep from goats, and God will destroy this world and create a new heaven and new earth, and so on. Are you curious to know, my dear brother and sister in Christ? If you would like to know the hidden truth about the mysteries of the second coming of Christ as a thih and want to be a wise virgin, then make sure to check and click the link below in description or in the comments section. Watch till the end, and thank you for watching. May God bless
Okay, I copy. We were trying to get a pump filled up down here and do some stuff, but
xuống ngập ầm rồi.
Ôi dồi ôi, bên nhà dưới kia làm nào? Trời ơi.
Ui ôi, xuống dưới kia hết một phát đi anh ơi.
Xuống dưới kia hết ra khỏi nhà đây.
Bảo ra khỏi nhà đây, xuống hết rồi đây. Ở dưới kia ra khỏi nhà đây. Ui, quả này xuống thì thôi. Ui ôi. Vùi luôn đấy. Lùi hết ra khỏi nhà đây. Đây, nó đang sập dần này. Đây này. Đấy. Ôi. Ôi. Ô, ra đây. Cái to di chuyển rồi. Dưới này, quay dưới này. Quay dưới này này. Vừa kìa. Một điểm, ôi dồi ôi, dây điện đứt. Có người em ơi, có người đang trong nhà đang cứu. Em đây rồi. Ui. Cứu thương. Vâng. Nó xuống lửa xe xuống vực rồi. Ăn cứu người, bao nhiêu người.
cerrada, Dale todo. ¿Y cómo te vas a meter ahí? Sí. Vamos a ver acá ya.
Es que se tiene que cerrar esto de afuera. ¿Por afuera? Sí, se cierran por afuera. Es que se llama la nacional.
Se le metió al pobre valiente.
Qué barbaridad.
¡Ay!
Subir más, pero poner aquel saco en la bodega, mirá.